The helicopter ascends, its blades slicing through the humid air, carrying us higher and higher. Below, Jakarta unfolds like a living map, its streets and buildings stretching endlessly in every direction. A vast tapestry of urban life, where tradition and modernity intertwine seamlessly. The cityscape stretches to the horizon, a mix of shimmering glass towers and weathered rooftops, each telling its own story. This is Jakarta from above, a city full of surprises where every corner reveals a new perspective. As we climb higher, the sprawling metropolis comes into focus, a patchwork of neighborhoods, each with its own rhythm and pace. The air thrums with the energy of millions of lives, each contributing to the city's ceaseless pulse. This is a city that never sleeps, a place of constant motion and evolution where the lights of the night tell stories of dreams and determination. From our vantage point, Jakarta appears almost like a living organism, its streets and buildings moving in harmony. Buildings rise and fall like breaths, each street a pulsing artery of activity carrying the lifeblood of the city. Let us explore this vibrant city together, soaring above its bustling heart and uncovering the stories that make Jakarta truly unique. Jakarta is a city of fascinating contrasts. Modern skyscrapers reach for the clouds, their glass facades reflecting the tropical sun. Below, ancient temples stand as testaments to a rich history. The old and the new coexist here in a delicate balance. We see colonial-era buildings, remnants of a bygone era. Nearby, sleek shopping malls buzz with the latest trends. The waterways of Jakarta tell their own story. Traditional wooden boats called klotok ply the murky waters. They share the river with modern ferries, transporting people across this watery city. Our aerial journey takes us over Jakarta's most iconic landmarks. The National Monument, or Monas, stands tall and proud. This towering obelisk is a symbol of Indonesia's independence. We glide over Fathahillah Square, the heart of old Jakarta. Here, colonial-era buildings have been beautifully preserved. The square is a popular gathering place, bustling with life. Next, we approach the Istana Merdeka, the presidential palace. This grand building is surrounded by lush gardens, a peaceful oasis in the heart of the city. From above, we can appreciate its architectural grandeur. Section 4. The city that never sleeps. As day turns to night, Jakarta transforms into a city of lights. The transition is mesmerizing as the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple before the city's lights take over. The skyscrapers shimmer and sparkle, their glass facades reflecting the city's neon glow. These towering structures stand as symbols of Jakarta's modernity, blending seamlessly with its rich cultural heritage. The streets below come alive with a different kind of energy. Cars honk, people chatter, and the hum of activity creates a rhythm unique to Jakarta. Street vendors set up shop, their stalls lit by flickering gas lamps. These vendors are the heart of Jakarta's night economy, offering everything from savory satay to sweet martabak. The aroma of street food fills the air, tempting passers-by with local delicacies. Each stall tells a story, a culinary journey that reflects the city's diverse culture and flavors. Music spills out from restaurants and bars, creating a lively soundtrack to the night. From traditional gamelan performances to modern pop beats, the city offers something for everyone. Even from above, we can feel the pulse of the city. The lights, the movement, the energy. It all comes together to create a breathtaking spectacle. Cars and motorcycles flow through the streets like rivers of light. The constant motion is a testament to the city's unyielding spirit and its people's resilience. Jakarta's nightlife is legendary and the energy is just, well, contagious. It's a city that never truly sleeps, where every corner holds a story waiting to be discovered. Section 5. A tapestry of life. From our aerial perspective, we witness the tapestry of life in Jakarta, a city that never sleeps, where every street and every corner hums with activity. The rhythm of life here is vibrant, a blend of tradition and modernity. We see children playing in parks, their laughter carried on the breeze. These parks are sanctuaries amidst the urban sprawl where families gather and friendships are forged. The joy of youth fills the air, a reminder of life's simple pleasures. We see commuters making their way home, the city lights guiding their path. The streets are alive with motion, a symphony of vehicles and pedestrians. Each journey tells a story of dreams, aspirations. and the pursuit of a better tomorrow. We see families gathering for meals, their laughter echoing from open-air restaurants. These moments of togetherness are the threads that weave the fabric of community, where stories are shared and bonds are strengthened. We see friends sharing stories over cups of coffee in street-side cafes. These cafes are more than just places to eat. They are spaces where ideas are exchanged and connections are deepened, adding warmth to the city's bustling life. Every corner of the city tells a different story. From the bustling markets to the quiet residential streets, Jakarta is a mosaic of experiences, each piece contributing to the larger picture of its identity. Jakarta is a melting pot of cultures and traditions. Its markets are alive with colors, sounds, and aromas, offering a glimpse into the city's rich heritage. The blend of traditional and modern architecture reflects its evolving spirit. We see mosques, churches, and temples standing side by side, a testament to the city's diversity. This harmony of faiths is a beacon of unity, showcasing the beauty of coexistence in a world often divided. Section 6. An unforgettable journey. Our journey over Jakarta comes to an end. As we descend, the city's energy washes over us once more. We have witnessed Jakarta's beauty from a unique perspective, soaring above its bustling streets and vibrant neighborhoods. This is a city of contrasts and contradictions, a place where ancient traditions meet modern aspirations, but above all, it is a city of hope, a place where dreams are made and futures are forged. We encourage you to experience the magic of Jakarta for yourself, to discover its hidden gems and embrace its vibrant spirit.